What's the meaning of chicken? Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. The word chicken refers to a common domesticated bird that is widely raised for meat and eggs. It is a type of poultry, and is part of the family Phasianidae. Chickens are also kept as pets and can be found in various colors and breeds. They have a distinctive appearance, with wings, beaks, and feathers covering their body. In addition to being a food source, they also play an important cultural and symbolic role in many societies. Overall, chickens are a versatile species that have become a vital part of human society.